Bangladesh, the struggle against malnutrition is a daily battle, exacerbated by climate disasters, job scarcity, and a severe lack of arable land. According to UNICEF, 36% of children under the age of 5 suffer from malnutrition in Bangladesh. Amidst these challenges, one innovative solution is emerging to tackle multiple issues at once: Shobuji, a mobile vertical farming module brought you by Pothro. Shobuji is not just a farming module, it's a lifeline for communities facing food insecurity. Designed to be mobile and adaptable, Shobuji can be deployed in areas with limited land availability, making it ideal for regions affected by climate disasters and urban areas with scarce green spaces. Shobuji stands for Sustainable, Optimized, and Biodynamic Uplifting Journey Efficiently.
আমরা এই ফসল খাইতে পারবো ইনশাআল্লাহ। এখানে বাঁশের এখানে খৈশাক লাগাইছি, তো বিভিন্ন জায়গায় খৈশাক হয়েছে, এখানে সারা পেঁয়াজ 10-15 দিন হয়ে গেছে, এখন সারা আবার দিতে হয়ে গেছে, আমরা কত করে ইনশাআল্লাহ এগুলো খাইতে পারবো।
With Shobuji, Pothro envisions resilient communities where every individual can grow nutritious food, catalyzing a significant impact on climate change. Through education and training, we equip community members with essential skills such as vertical farming and composting, fostering self-sufficiency in sustainable food production. With the developed prototypes, we visited several communities impacted by floods and salinity for feasibility testing. After 7 months of piloting, we received some good news. For those who have been forced to migrate due to climate disasters or lack of job opportunities, no longer dependent solely on relief aid for survival, communities can now cultivate their own nutritious food right at their doorstep. With Shobuji, the aim is not just to alleviate hunger but to create surplus produce. Users can meet their own nutritional needs while also generating income by selling the surplus in local markets. This economic sustainability empowers communities to break free from the cycle of poverty and dependence. Pothro's partnerships ensure universal access to seeds, tools, and resources, making essential inputs affordable and available to all. Shared community modules serve as vibrant hubs for knowledge sharing and collaboration, promoting innovation and social cohesion. By addressing malnutrition and promoting economic resilience, Shobuji contributes to achieving SDG to zero hunger. Additionally, by utilizing innovative farming techniques and maximizing land efficiency, Shobuji plays a crucial role in building climate-resilient communities, aligning with SDG 13 climate action. In the fight against malnutrition and climate change, offering a sustainable solution that not only nourishes communities but also empowers them to thrive in the face of adversity. Together, we can build a future where no one goes hungry and every community is equipped to withstand the challenges of a changing climate.